Hello, dear students, and welcome once again in our second MCQs lecture, subject of business mathematics and statistics. तो dear students, आज के इस सेकंड MCQ लेक्चर फिर से एक बार आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूँ। आज के इस लेक्चर में FY बीकॉम सेमेस्टर सेकंड का जो सेकंड टॉपिक है लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम इस पर कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट सॉल्व करेंगे। एमसीक्यूज शुरू करने से पहले एलपीपी मतलब लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम के बारे में मैं बस थोड़ी सी जानकारी यहाँ पर देना चाहूँगा कि लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम इज ए मैथमेटिकल टेक्निक यूज्ड इन वेरियस इंडस्ट्रीज और सॉल्विंग वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स। अब देखो जैसे कि इंडस्ट्री में कॉस्ट मिनिमाइज की जाती है, देन जो प्रॉफिट है वो मैक्सिमाइज किया जाता है। किस तरह से हम कॉस्ट मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं और प्रॉफिट प्रॉफिट जो है मैक्सिमाइज कर सकते हैं, तो वो बहुत सारे जो प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं वो एलपीपी के यूज से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व की जाए। तो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और बहुत ही अहम, बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग ये टॉपिक है। तो शुरू करते हैं आज का पहला क्वेश्चन। ऑपरेशन रिसर्च अप्रोच इज dash and the options are multidisciplinary, B. Artificial, C. Intuitive, yeah, D. All of the and the very simple because operation research approach is a multidisciplinary field and right answer is D. All of the above. Then the second question, the best use of linear programming problem is to find optimal use of dash dash and the options are A. Money, B. Manpower, C. Machine या D. All of the above. तो लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम जो है का यूज इसी के लिए होता है और फाइंडिंग आउट द ऑप्टिमल यूज ऑफ मनी, मैन पावर, मशीन. So right answer is D, all of the above. Then question number 3. In LPP dash dash and the options are A. Objective function is linear. B. Constant are linear. C. Both objective function and constants are linear. That D. None of the, and the right answer is C. In LPP, objective function and constant both are linear. Then question number 4. In graphical method of linear programming problem, if the iOS cost line coincide with a side of a region of basic feasible solution, we get A. Unique optimum solution, B. Unbounded optimum solution, C. No feasible solution, या D. Infinite number of optimum solution. Right answer is D. Infinite number of optimum solution. Question number 5. Constant means, and the options are limitations are expressed in mathematical equalities or inequalities. B. Assumption. C. Goal is to be achieved. D. None of the above. तो एलपीपी में जो कांस्टेंट जो होता है इट इज limitations are expressed in mathematical equalities and inequalities. So right answer is A. Constant limitations are expressed in mathematical equalities. In, in question number 6, a constant in LPP model restricts dash dash and the options are A. Value of the objective function, B. Value of the decision variable, C. Use of the variable resources, yeah, D. All of the above, and the right answer is D. All of the above. Was a constant in LPP model में ये सब सारी चीजें आती हैं. Then question number 7. A feasible solution of LPP is dash dash and the here, and the right answer is A, must satisfy all the constant simultaneously. Means a feasible solution of LPP must satisfy all the constant simultaneously. Then question number 8, maximization of objective function in LPP means dash dash, and the options are in of you. A, value occurs at allowable set decision. B, highest value is chosen among allowable decision. C, none of the above. D, all of the above. And the right answer कौन सा हो सकता है? B, highest value is chosen among allowable decision. So right answer is B. Then question number 9. The linear function of the variables which is to be maximized or minimized is called as. Options are A, constant, B, objective function, C, decision variable, या D, none of the above. And the right answer is B, objective function. Means the linear function of the variables which is to be minimized or maximized is called as objective function. जैसे मैं पहले बता चुका हूँ, minimize the cost or maximize the profit. Then question number 10. If the value of the objective function z can be increased or decreased indefinitely, such solution is called, and the options are A, bounded solution, B, unbounded solution, C, only solution, and D, none of the above. And the right answer is unbounded solution. Then question number 11. Constant in an LPP model represents dash dash, and the options are A, limitations, B, requirements, C, balancing, या D, all of the above. यहाँ पर सही आंसर है D, all of the above. Constant in an LPP model represents limitations, requirements, and balancing also. So right answer is D, all of the above. Then question number 12. A solution which optimizes the objective function is called as, and the options are A, solution, B, basic solution, C, feasible solution, या D, optimal solution. And the right answer is D, optimal solution. It means a solution which optimizes the objective function is called as optimal solution. And question number 13. The set of decision variable which satisfies all the constant of the LPP is called as, and the options are A, solution, B, basic solution, C, feasible solution, या D, none of the above. And the right answer is A, solution. So the set of decision variable which satisfies all the constant of the LPP is called as solution. Then question number 14. For the constant of a linear optimizing function, z is equal to x1 plus x2 given by x1 plus x2 less than 1, 3x1 plus x2 less than 3, and x1, x2, 0. And the options are there are two feasible regions, B, there are infinite feasible region, C, there is no feasible region, D, none of the above. And the right answer is C, there is no feasible. Then the last question of this lecture is the objective function of a LPP model is 4x1 plus 3x2 if x1 is equal to 10 and x2 is equal to 20, then dash is the value of the objective function, and the options are 50, 60, 120. अगर हम इसको कैलकुलेट अगर हम कर ले, x1 को अगर हम 10 लेते हैं और x2 इज इक्वल टू 20 अगर करते हैं, तो देखो उसका सही आंसर क्या आएगा. 4 इंटू 10 40 प्लस 3 इंटू 20 60 40 प्लस 60 कितना आएगा 100. सो आवर राइट आंसर इज सी. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर आज के इस लेक्चर में हमने एलपीपी पर बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पर देखे हैं. उम्मीद करता हूँ इसका तुम सबको ज़रूर फायदा होगा. नेक्स्ट थर्ड लेक्चर में हम जो तीसरा टॉपिक है कोरिलेशन एंड रिग्रेशन, उसी पर कुछ